The A320 family is equipped with CFM International, CFMI, CFM56-5B series engines. Like most engines today, this engine comprises a low-pressure LP compressor stage, a high-pressure HP compressor stage, a combustion chamber, and a turbine stage. The front fan, the low-pressure compressor, and the low-pressure turbine are connected to form the low-speed rotor, N1. The high-pressure compressor is connected to a high-pressure turbine to form the high-speed rotor, N2. The high-speed rotor drives an accessory gearbox, which is located at the bottom of the fan case. The combustion chamber is equipped with two igniters, called A and B. Each engine is equipped with a full authority digital engine control system, FADEC, which provides complete engine management. For redundancy, each FADEC has two channels, A and B, one active and one in standby.
Each engine has reversers, which are hydraulically actuated.
The engines are controlled by thrust levers, which are located on the center pedestal. These two levers control the reversers.
The auto thrust can be disconnected with either of these red push buttons, which are called instinctive disconnect push buttons.
The controls for engine starting and shutdown are located on the center pedestal, just behind the thrust levers.
The engine master switches and the engine mode selector enable the pilots for engine automatic and manual starting, engine ventilation, dry cranking, and engine shutdown. Once the engines are running, the mode selector can also provide continuous ignition. The panel has also a fire and fault light for each engine. On the overhead panel, there is an additional panel, which is used for a manual engine start.
Engine controls and parameter indications are displayed on the engine warning display and system display ECAM pages.
The engines also have a fire protection system. You will see the complete operation of this system in the Auto 26 Fire Protection chapter.